Hello, today I'll be showing you how to do basics on FireAlpaca. So first what you want to do is you want to click File, and then this should pop up. This should pop up. Click New, and I just do these settings right here. Okay, and then you should have that. First, a really good hint is turn off this right here. And select your brush down here. You can change the size by doing this. And if you draw something you don't like, click this back button right here. And if you want it back, let's say you drew that and you wanted to make 2 of them. So take that little magic wand thing right here and click it, then just stay on there. And then you can move the line right there and fill it in. And you can have 2. And to get out of that, select either one of these and just double click outside. And I'll go back, get rid of all that. Let me see. Okay, here's one. Let's say you made an eye. It's not at all good. Up at select, you can click transform, which is also Control T, and then you can move it and stuff. Change the size. Yeah. And up here you can change it if you want to do lines. You can also pick tools up here. And you can select this little one to move your picture around. And down here you press this little paper to get another layer where you can draw over these things. And then if you select a layer, you can also delete it. Now I'm just gonna try all this stuff. Okay. So I select watercolor. Oh, wait, still on freehand. I mean online. See, let's do that for example. And then I have that layer. If I click on settings, I can change the name. And if I make another one, I'll turn it black. Go to pencil. I am not trying, as you may or may not know. There you go. The most beautiful cat in the world. And then you'd go to your base and then delete. Change that to line art. And then a good thing I like to do is fill it all in, of course. And then take that little magic wand and select right in, nope. Select right in there. And then go to the little pencil and go to airbrush and get a dark color. And that's how I do my shading. Just keep doing that. Of course, use smaller brush, and then it's beautiful, right? And then let's say I wanted this eye to be bigger. Then Control T, I can make it bigger. There, done. Beautiful. And then what you can also do is you can select one, and then you see that little thing, you click it, and it disappears, but don't worry, it's right there. So then go to this, layer, fill it in black, and then beautiful background. Alright, then show it again. And you can move them up here so that it's overlapping, because if your background is overlapping your line art, or whatever you want on the background, you won't be able to see it. So just move it up. And then right here, you click on the top one, and then you click those two little papers right there, and it makes it one. So that's how you just do like basic art. But if you want to do animation, go to view, click onion skin mode, and then let's see, you'll draw a random thing. It's my dog. Draw something random, and then you'll make another layer, and that's your background right there, so that you can draw over it easily. See? It's a beautiful hand. And then you can delete that. And then right there, then you can like make it move on each frame and stuff. I'm not going to give you a whole animation lesson, that's not what we're doing, but I'm just showing you how to make it. And then you click view again, and you can click autoplay, and it'll show you what you've made. And then once you want to take this, you click file, and you can make like a million different things. Anyway, click file, and then export layers, onion skin mode, and then you'll have them all. And it'll also give you an option to open the GIF maker, but I'm not going to do that right now. So yeah, you can ask for things for me to tell you about, but that's it really. Alright, bye-bye.